Hey everybody, happy Monday. So today for math, we have a couple of different activities, okay? So I'm going to explain both and then you can go ahead and complete them. The first one we have is this sheet that can be found in your packet. You need this one and that one, okay? Again, if you don't have them in your packet, that's okay. You can just do it on a separate sheet of paper. All right, so for this activity, you're going to need to make some letter cards, okay? So to do this, I wrote the letters A all the way through H onto a piece of paper, and then I just cut it up to make some cards, okay? And now I'm going to put them into my bag. You can put them in a bag or a box or a bin, whatever you have is fine. All right, so I'm going to go. I'm going to shake up my bag. Shake, 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 shake. And I'm going to pick one out with closing my eyes. So it's a surprise. Okay, so I got H. Okay, so I have H. I am going to, let me get my pen out. Okay, so I'm going to look at H. So H is right here. H tells me that I'm going to be counting by twos. Okay, so I know I'm going to be counting by twos, so let me find H on this sheet. Oh, here's H. Okay, so here's H. I'm going to be counting by twos. So if I look, I see I have 108. So they gave me 108. So I'm going to go find 108 on my chart, on my 120 chart. And it is right here. Okay, I circled it. So I have 108. When I look, I see I have a line before 108. So I need to find out what comes before 108. But remember, I'm counting by twos. So I need to find out what comes two before 108. So let's look. 1, 2. 2 before 108 is 106. All right. 106, and then we have 108. All right, now I need to see what comes next. So if we're counting by twos, I need to see what comes two after 108. So let's see here. 2 after 108. So here's 108. I'm going to count 1, 2. It's 110. So next is 110. Okay. And now I'm going to see what comes two more after 110. So here's 110. So I'm going to count from 110. I'm going to go, here's 1. My 1 jump is to 111, and 2 all the way to 112. So 2 more than 110 is 112. Perfect. Okay, let's do another one. So remember, go back to your bags of letters, pick one out. I got G. All right, G tells me to count by fives. I'm going to change my marker color for G. I'm going to make it purple. So G is right here. G is telling me to count by fives. So G on the paper is right here. So I'm going to count by fives. I'm going to start at 95. Let's find 95 on my chart. 95. Okay, remember I'm counting by five, so I need to see. So I have 95. I need to see what comes next. What comes after 95? We're counting by five, so I'm going to count 5 spaces after 95. So 95. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number is this? 100. So 95, 100. Perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to keep counting by fives to see what comes after 100. You're going to keep doing this with all these letters until you have your paper all filled out. So this is the first activity. We have one more today, so I'm going to go to the next slide. Ooh, I want to move where my video is. I'm going to put me right down here. Okay, so for this activity, you need to find your number cards in your packet that look like this. Goes 1 all the way to 120. And remember, if you don't have these, you can make these yourself. Once you have these cards, you're going to lay them out. You're going to lay them out 1 all the way to 120, just like you see on this poster. Okay, so just like the poster shows you. Let's get the laser pointer out. So just like this. Okay. After they're all laid out in order, see if you can find someone, or you can do it yourself. You're going to take a couple from random spots. So you're going to take a couple cards. So just like I did down here, I had 1 through 10, and I took 4, and I took 7, and I put them over to the side. But you're going to do that with 1 all the way to 120. And then you're going to mix up the 2 cards you just took, and you have to figure out where they go, so you're going to put them back. Okay? So you're going to take a couple cards away, then you have to figure out where they go, and you're going to do this a couple different times. Okay? This one can be a little tricky, so I'm going to attach one more video that shows me playing this game, okay? So go and look for the video of me playing this game if you need some extra help. Okay, I hope you have a great Monday. Bye.